Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy, and today we'll be showing you the tutorial on dispersion effects on PicsArt. First, select any image of your preference. Now go to Tools and select Dispersion. Adjust the selection brush size and select the area you want dispersed. Click the top right arrow key and make sure to adjust the dispersion as per your liking. Adjust the stretch, size, direction and fade until you like the appearance. Take your time. After completion, click on Done and add in some effects for more impact. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video, and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.